Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a Google Meet on your iOS devices. So let's get right into it. So first off, we'll need our Gmail or our native Gmeet application from the App Store. So first I will just use my plain old Gmail for this demonstration right here. But you can also do the option of downloading the Gmeet app in your App Store if you want to. So here you go. I'm logged in already to my Gmail account, so right here, we go to our lower right corner of our screen where we see this video button, and right there you can see the option to make a new meeting or join with a code. So right here, you will just press new meeting. It'll ask you if you want to get a meeting for a link to share later, or start an instant meeting, or schedule it in Google Calendar to your preferences. So there you go. That's how you make Gmeet using your iOS devices. And there you go. Thank you for watching.